channel. Today I am making a video of me re-dyeing my hair red because it's just time. This is a nice color, but I want it to be all the way to my roots. So that's what we're gonna be doing today, and y'all are gonna watch me do it. I am not a professional, so yeah. So we just gonna be winging it. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got from Sally's. What I'm gonna be using, I got some Hicolor highlights. I got 2 red. I got 1 red and 2 magenta. Yep. Some gloves. A brush. Dyeing brush. I don't know what this called, but yeah. Some shower caps. 40 developer. Yeah, 40. This thing that you mix the dye in, and ion after color sealer. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be using. And if you want to see me dye my hair, continue to watch. And yeah, so first I am going to shampoo my hair with my Coconut Restore shampoo, and then I am going to blow dry it, and I'm going to be right back. So I already went ahead and sectioned my hair off into 6 sections. Now I am about to mix my dye and my developer. So I'm going to, I don't know if you see the numbers, but it says 2, 4, 6. I'm going to do it like at that first dash after the 2. And with developer first. I'm gonna do that now. So, okay. So that's enough. Gonna get a red. Squeeze the whole thing in there. See? Squeeze the whole thing in there. Also, if you haven't noticed, I'm wearing a shirt I do not care about because it's already got stains and everything on it. So I'm gonna mix it in first. Now this, it's not mixed in all the way yet, but I'm gonna go in with the magenta. So before I got this, I thought it would be like a purple. I don't know why, but I did. So still pink, but mixing the magenta. Gonna add a little bit more. Too much. So this developer is strong. Look at my fingers. But this is the consistency. Now I'm gonna go to the restroom, so I won't get you stuff on my bed. So when it came to the developer, I really just kind of put some in here. Well, I did after I measured it, just to based off the consistency. So now I'm gonna take down. Oh, also my sections are already detangled. So yeah. So before I get into anything, I am going to put this bad boy on. Got to. So after I apply the Vaseline, I go ahead and get my dye mixture and apply a generous amount into the section. So the reason I did 6 sections is because it's easier to work with smaller sections. Y'all, this developer is really strong. So, I mean, it started burning my eyes a little bit in the beginning, so I opened the window and I was good after that. So I went ahead and saturated my whole head in the red dye, making sure I didn't have any black spots anywhere, and I take a shower cap so I can sit under the dryer. So I was previously experiencing some technical difficulties, so I'm gonna try to piece in the little pieces that I got from like Snapchat videos and stuff of like what I did at the end. But I really just what did I start out, what did I end? I put the dye in my hair. I did run out because I didn't put all 3 in there first. I should have did that. So I ended up putting in that last magenta and then mixing it, putting it, and a little bit more developer, putting it, like finishing this half of my head. And yeah, I rinsed it. No, I stayed under the dryer for about 15 minutes. It was from about 8:45 to 9 o'clock. And then I didn't sit on the dryer the whole time. I sat on there for about a good 5 minutes. Then I just let it like marinate for the last 10. And then I rinsed it out, put the sealant on there. No, shampooed it, put the sealant on there. And this is the finished result. I really love the color. I do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel and this video. And that's it. See y'all in the next video. So I did go ahead and get another shower cap just so everything can be secure. And then I sat under the dryer for about 15 minutes. That's why I did this.